Burr-free cutting is more than just a desirable outcome in industrial metalworking. It is often a vital requirement for several compelling reasons. Reduced risk of injury. Burrs are sharp, raised edges left after cutting and can pose a serious safety hazard to workers handling parts during manufacturing, assembly, and even to the end user. Burr-free edges eliminate the risk of cuts and abrasions, preventing missile hazards. Stressing on a burr can cause it to break off, becoming a potentially injurious missile. Improved functionality and performance. Precise fitting and assembly. Burrs can prevent components from fitting properly during assembly, causing misalignment, sticking, and increased friction. Burr-free parts ensure a smooth and precise fit. Eliminate interference. Burrs can impede the movement of parts, disrupt the flow of air or fluids in a system, or even cause short circuits or bad connections in electronic devices. Improved durability and service life. Burrs are stress points where cracks and fractures can initiate and propagate, reducing the overall strength and service life of the components. They can also trap moisture and contaminants, leading to corrosion. Higher quality and aesthetics. Improved surface finish. Burr-free cutting produces smoother, cleaner edges and surfaces, helping to improve the quality of the final product and a more professional appearance. Better coatings and finishes. Burrs can interfere with the evening application of paints and other surface treatments, causing defects and reduced adhesion. Improve efficiency and reduce costs. Eliminate secondary operations. Deburring chamfering is an additional process that requires time, labor, energy, and resources. Achieving burn-free cutting can minimize or eliminate the need for these secondary operations. Faster assembly. Burr-free parts are easier and faster to handle and assemble, streamlining the manufacturing process. Reduced rework and scrap. Burrs can cause dimensional inaccuracies and functional issues, increasing the likelihood of part rework or scrap. Burr-free cutting helps maintain tighter tolerances and reduces these issues. Compliance with regulations and standards. Industry-specific requirements. Certain industries, such as aerospace, medical devices, and food processing, have strict regulations and standards that mandate deburring due to safety and performance concerns.